Jai Gurudev. Continuing from the last video, now we'll see the next question, which is 64a square plus 25b square plus 18ab minus 49c square. Here you can see the number of terms are 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Out of these 4 terms, first 3 terms can be put into one of the identities that we have seen in the last video. That is, the 64 can be written as 8a whole square plus 25b square can be written as 5b whole square plus, now it is a square plus b square, where 8a will be acting as a, 5b will be acting as b. So it is a square plus b square, and then we have got plus sign. That means a square plus b square plus twice ab. A is 8a, so within a bracket we'll write 8a. B is 5b, so within bracket we'll write 5b. So it became a square plus b square plus twice ab. Now let us check where you have written the third term twice ab. Is it equivalent to the expression given in the question? 2 into 8 is 16. 16 into 5 is 80. A into b is ab. So we have got the expression. So it is a square plus b square plus twice ab minus 49c square can be written as 7c whole square. So if you consider up to the first 3 terms, we can write a square plus b square plus twice ab can be written as a plus b whole square, and then minus 7c whole square. Furthermore, if you see, we will find 8a plus 5b can be written as a, considering this as one term. 7c can be considered as another term, so can be written as b, which became the formula of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, we know it is a plus b into a minus b. So this expression can be written as 8a plus 5b plus 7c within bracket, then in another bracket we can write 8a plus 5b minus 7c. So this is the final answer, which are the 2 factors of this expression: 64a square plus 25b square plus 80ab minus 49c square. Here also you can find, since the highest power of the variable is 2, so we have got 2 factors here. First factor is 8a plus 5b plus 7c. Next is 8a plus 5b minus 7c. Let us see one more time. Question is 64a square plus 25b square plus 80ab minus 49c square. Here you can see we have got 4 terms: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Out of these 4 terms, nothing is common. So what we do, we look for some identities here now. Since the first 3 terms, if we break, the 64a square can be written as 8a whole square, which is equivalent to 64a square. Next, 25b square can be written as 5b whole square, which is equivalent to 25b square. Then plus a square plus b square. Now this 80ab can be broken into 2 into 8 into 5. So 2 into 8 is 16. 16 into 5 is 80, and a into b is ab. So 80ab. So we are getting the expression, which became the formula of a square plus b square plus twice a and b. This 8a, as we have taken a, and 5b we have taken as b from here you can see. So therefore this first 3 terms can be splitted in this form, which became the formula of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square, which is 8a plus 5b whole square, minus 49 square can be written as 7c whole square. So 7c whole square. Once again, if we find 8a plus 5b can be taken as one term since it is inside the bracket, so we can take it as a. 7c square, so 7c can be taken as b. So it became the formula of a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Next question is 25a square plus 20ac minus 4b square plus 8bc. Here also you will find that the number of terms are 4. So we get 4 terms, 1, 2, 3 and 4 terms. Out of these 4 terms you will find nothing is common. Since here you have got 25, here 20, here 4 and here 8. So out of these 4 terms nothing is common. So what we can do here, we can rearrange the above expression in this form. 25a square minus 4b square plus 20ac plus 8bc. So the above question can be arranged in this form also. It remains same. So the third term we can see we have put it into the second, and second term we have put that into the third term. Our original expression will remain same. Now what you can do here, 25a square can be written as 5a whole square. Then 4b whole square can be written as 2b whole square. So you can see 5a whole square means 25a square and 2b whole square means 4b whole square. So our original expression remains same. Plus 20ac and 8b. Out of this term we can find, here it is bc. Out of this two terms 20ac plus 8bc, we can find that 20 and 8, 4 is common out of 20 and 8, since 4 into 5 is 20 and 4 into 2 is 8. So out of these two terms we can see 4 is common. So we have taken 4 common. Out of AC and BC we can see C is common. So we have taken 4C common out of both the terms. Now when we have taken 4C common from the first term, we are left with 5, and C we have already taken, so we are left with only A. So 5A, then plus symbol, then 8, 4 we have already taken common, so we are left with 2, and then C we have taken common, so we are left with B. Now 5a whole square minus 2b whole square, that means 5a can be written as A, 2b can be written as B, which means this became the formula of A square minus B square, which is A plus B into A minus B plus 4C within bracket 5a plus 2b. Now we can see there are two terms, first term and second term. Okay. Out of these two terms we find 5a plus 2b is common. Out of these two terms we find 5a plus 2b is common in both the terms. First term also we have got 5a plus 2b, second term also we have got 5a plus 2b. So we can take 5a plus 2b common. When we take 5a plus 2b common, from the first term we are left with 5a minus 2b, and from the second term we are left with only 4c. So these are the two factors of this expression, 25a square plus 20ac minus 4b square plus 8bc. Next question is AB plus 2A plus B plus 2. Here you will find number of terms are 1, 2 and 3. Within a bracket we consider this as one term. So here the number of terms are 3. Now from the first term, what you can do, a can be taken. From the first term, a can be taken as common. So if you take a common, we are left with b plus 2 and then plus b plus 2, which can be put inside a bracket as well. Now we see the number of terms are 2. First term and second term. Here the number of terms are 2 now. Okay, if you keep b plus 2 inside a bracket, which is possible. Now out of both the terms, what do you find? B plus 2 is common. So we'll take b plus 2. Now from the first term, since we have taken b plus 2 common, we are left with a. Then plus symbol. Since we have taken b plus 2 common, so we are left with 1. So these are the two factors, b plus 2 and a plus 1 of the expression ab plus 2a plus b plus 2. Next question is x to the power 4 minus x minus y whole thing to the power 4. X to the power 4 can be written as x square whole square minus x minus y whole square and then square. Okay. The above question can be reframed as x to the power 4 is given, so we can write x square whole square. 2 into 2 is 4, one of the laws of exponent that we have seen. Next, x minus y whole to the power 4 can be written as x minus y whole square whole thing to the power square. Now this x square will act as a, this x minus y whole square will act as b. Now since the above expression took the form a square minus b square, so we can write a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b. Therefore a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Now here a is x square, b is x minus y whole square. A is x square, b is x minus y whole square. Which can be further written as x square plus a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square, we know it is a square minus twice ab plus b square. Similarly, x square minus a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square can be written as a square minus twice ab plus b square. Therefore, x square plus x square is 2x square minus 2xy plus y square, and then x square, this minus will multiply all the three terms inside the bracket. Since there is a bracket, that means it is multiplication. So minus will multiply all the three terms. Here it is plus, so plus into minus is minus, so minus x square. Minus into minus plus, plus 2xy. Minus into plus, minus, so it is minus y square. Which can be written as 2x square minus 2xy plus y square, and then this x square and this x square will be cancelled, so we are left with 2xy minus y square. So you can keep your answer here also. Let us see one more time. The question is x to the power 4 minus x minus y to the power 4. So x to the power 4 can be written as x square whole square Okay, since 2 into 2 is 4, so original expression remains same. Minus x minus y whole to the power 4 can be written as x minus y whole square whole thing to the power 2. 2 into 2 is 4, so our original expression here also remains same. Now we can see x square, if we take it as a, x minus y whole square if we take it as b, it became the formula of a square minus b square, which is a plus b a minus b. So a plus b within bracket a minus b. Next we see that x square can be written as x square, then it is a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square can be written as a square minus twice ab plus b square. A minus b whole square formula is a square minus twice ab plus b square. Similarly, x square minus within bracket a minus b whole square. So x square minus 2xy plus y square, which is a minus b whole square formula we have written. Now, since there is a minus sign and we have got bracket here, bracket means multiplication, so we will be multiplying all the individual terms here. So here it is plus, plus became minus, so it is minus x square, minus and minus, this became plus, minus and plus, this became minus. So 2x square plus x square is 2x square minus 2xy plus y square. This x square and this x square will get cancelled, so we are left with 2xy minus y square. Next question is p to the power 4 minus 16. Similarly, this expression can be written as p square whole square minus 4 square. So here p square will act as a, 4 will act as b. So it became the formula of a square minus b square, which implies a plus b within bracket a minus b. You can keep your answer up to here, or further if you want to factorize, then we'll get p square plus 4, and then this expression can be further written as p square minus 2 square. This 4 can be written as 2 square, which once again will become the formula of a square minus b square, where a will be p and b will be 2. So this can be written as p square plus 4 and then within bracket a square minus b square. So it is p plus 2 within bracket p minus 2. So you can keep your answer here also or here also. Next question is 2x cube plus 2xy square plus 4x square y. Here you can see the number of terms are 3. Out of these 3 terms, we find here 2 is common to all the 3 terms, right? Here 2, here 2, and here 4 means 2 into 2 is 4. So 2 is common in all the 3 terms. So what you can do, we can take 2 common from the 3 terms. Next, here it is x cube, here it is x, and here it is x square. So the lowest power variable is x here. Okay, so x can be taken common. Then you have got y here, here y, but here there is no y, so y cannot be taken from all the 3 terms. So 2x we can take from all the 3 terms, and we can write first term when we take 2x common, so we are left with x square. Since we have taken out of 3x, we have taken 1x common, so we are left with x into x, which is x square, plus 2 we have taken, x we have taken, so 2x is common, we are left with y square, plus here 2 we have taken common, so 2 will be left out, so here 2. X we have taken common here, and here it is x square, so we are left with only 1x, and then y. So the factor is 2x within bracket x square plus y square plus 2xy. Next question is 5x square plus 2xy minus 8y minus 20x. Since we have done the similar question in the previous sums, so all of you try this. This will be your homework. Now we'll see the next question. Factorize the following expressions. Factorize the following expressions. Number 1, x square minus x minus 6. Here you can see the number of terms are 3. Out of these 3 terms, there is nothing common. When you get such type of expression, then we'll go for one method called middle term factorization or middle term splitting, or the fourth identity that we have seen in the last video, which is x plus a into x plus b, which equals x square plus a plus b, x plus a and b. So we'll try to convert the above expression into this form, right hand side form, that is x square plus a plus bx plus ab. This is also called middle term splitting or middle term factorization. In this method, what we'll do, this is first term, this is second term, this is third term. So this is called the middlemost term. So middlemost term, as the name implies, middle term splitting. Splitting means dividing. So we'll divide or break rather the middle term in such a manner that if you add two numbers we get minus 1. Since nothing is there, that means it is minus 1x. So we'll break the middle term in such a manner that if we add or subtract we get minus 1, and similarly those two numbers if we multiply then we should get as minus 6. So x square minus x minus 6 can be rewritten as, now if we go for two numbers where plus or minus will give me minus 1x and product of the two numbers will give me minus 6, so we can write minus 3 plus 2, so we get answer is minus 1. Similarly, this minus 3 into plus 2, we get answer is minus 6. Therefore, the two numbers we'll take to split the middle term or to break the middle term is minus 3 and plus 2. Therefore, we can write x square. To match this right hand side, we'll write x square plus minus 3 plus 2, then x plus minus 3 into plus 2. So you can see minus 3 into plus 2 is minus 6, and minus 3 plus 2 is minus x, which is minus 1 and x. So our original expression remains same. So x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Here a is minus 3, b is plus 2. A is minus 3, b is plus 2. Therefore, the above expression x square plus a plus b x plus ab can be written as x plus a x plus b. So x plus a value is -3, and then x plus b value is 2. So x plus and minus minus, so x minus 3, x plus 2 are the two factors of this expression x square minus x minus 6. Now let us see one more time this method, which is called middle term splitting or factorization. X square minus x minus 6. Since it is called middle term splitting, that means we'll split the middlemost term in such a manner so that when you add or subtract the middle term with a particular numbers, then those two numbers, even if we multiply, we should get the third term. Here it is minus x, which is also known as -1. So we'll take two numbers such that plus or minus we should get -1. So similarly, those two numbers, if we multiply it, we should get -6 as well. Therefore we can see -3 plus 2, if you do it is -1. So we are getting -1 here, or x minus x. Similarly, those two numbers, if we multiply, then we are getting as -6. So the third term is also achieved. Therefore the expression can be written as x square plus -3 plus 2. So -3 plus 2 means -1. So -1x plus a into b. Now when you write this expression in this manner, we get it's equivalent to the expression on the right hand side of the fourth identities that we have seen in the last class, which is x square plus a plus bx plus ab, which equals x plus a and x plus b. So x square plus a plus bx plus ab equals x plus a into x plus b, where a is -3, b is plus 2. So this method is called middle term splitting or middle term factorization as well. Let us see the next question. Y square plus 20y plus 91. Now here also we have got three terms: first term, second term and third term. So we'll try to break the middle term in such a manner so that plus or minus will give us 20y or 20, and multiplying those two numbers will give us 91. So if we roughly calculate, 13 plus 7 is equal to 20. Similarly, 13 into 7 is equal to 91. So my two numbers would be 13 and 7. So the above expression can be written as y square plus 13 plus 7 y plus 91. So you can check, 13 plus 7 is 20. So original expression remains same here as well. And 13 into 7 will get 91. So further this can be written as y square plus 13 plus y 13 plus 7y plus 13 into 7. Now when we write 13 into 7, it is equivalent to 91. 13 into 7 is 91. So it took the form x square plus a plus b x plus a into b, which equals x plus a and x plus b, the fourth identity. Therefore here we find that a equal to 13, b equal to 7. So the factors would be y plus 13 and y plus 7. This much for today. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.